The leader of majority and the leader of minority, together with their respective whips, to propose to the House names of the ad hoc committee for investigating the issues that were raised in the already passed motion. The name should be submitted to the Speaker before 2 p.m. today for discussion in the afternoon session. Number 2, I hereby direct the leader of majority coalition and the minority coalition leader, together with their whips, to convene the respective coalitions, to select one member from each of the coalitions to the County Assembly Service Board and submit the names to the Speaker before 2 p.m. today for discussion in the afternoon session. Next order, Hassan. Next order.
Messages.
Next order.
Petitions.
Next order.
Papers.
Next order.
Notices of motions.
Next order.
Statements.
Next order.
Motions and bills.
Next order.
Adjournment.
The House stands adjourned to 8th of October at 2 p.m. Thank you. At 2:30 p.m. today at 2:30 p.m. Thank you. Those at the gallery, you either sit or you move out.
Mr. Speaker, aware that
You either move out, those at the gallery, either move out.
Section
All
61 of the County Assembly Service Act 2017 provides that the board shall within 3 months after the end of each calendar year prepare and lay before the County Assembly a report of its operations during that year. The board has contravened the above provision by continuously failing to table any report of its operations for the last 2 calendar years, hence denying the Assembly crucial information as required by the law. Hence, the honorable members are not aware of the operations that are going on in the Assembly. Further aware that Section 11 of the County Assembly Service Act 2017 provides for the responsibilities of the County Assembly Service Board. In particular, Section 11E requires the County Assembly Service Board to make undertakings necessary for the welfare of the members of the County Assembly. The County Assembly Service Board has failed, ignored, and all neglected to bring to the fruition the provision of the above said law with the following acts. 1. Non-compliance with the Salaries and Remuneration Commission's SRC on recommended staff establishment for the Special Elect MCS office. 2. Non-compliance with Salaries and Remuneration Commission SRC by failing to facilitate ward offices with funds for operations. 3. Skewed payment in favor of board.
Boss, you're not allowed here.
In favor of board members to the detriment of majority LCA. From the foregoing Honorable Speaker, I move a motion that this County Assembly suspends the Honorable Speaker, Honorable Enock Okero, based way on investigations, and further the 2 honorable members, Joel Mbongi and Ramek Square, to cease immediately from being the members of the CASI. I now call upon Honorable Charles Keganda to second.
Honorable Keganda, Charles.
You're not allowed to come here with a gun. You're not
Order, please have order.
Tafadhali.
Security.
Tafadhali. Unless you want to take, you want us to take this away from me.
Honorable Speaker, I second. Honorable Speaker, I second the motion.
Thank you, Honorable Keganda. I now propose that the motion to suspend the Speaker of the County Assembly of Nyamira, the Honorable Enock Okero, be discussed. Members, Honorable Leader of Majority, George Murara.
Who's your message?
Honorable Murara.
Honorable Speaker, I support the motion, and indeed the members have served. My special elect from the coalition of the majority have served, and even members themselves have served greatly under the stewardship of the Speaker and the whole board. Especially the 2 members. and support the motion.
Thank you, Honorable Minority Leader Mindariech. Honorable Mindariech, Minority Leader.
Order.
Mindariech.
You can't pass from there. Come from here. You are an honorable member. Come from the door. It is open. Why?
I now put the question that the motion was read by the Honorable Josiah Nyamira, member representing Esise Ward, and seconded by Honorable Charles Keganda, be adopted. Honorable members, will as many are of the similar opinion say aye? Aye. Will as many are of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it. Now, honorable members, the House having debated and approved the motion, the Honorable Speaker of the County Assembly, Honorable Enock Okero, stands suspended from this House and his duties as Speaker indefinitely. Honorable members, as contained in the motion, the two members of the County Assembly Service Board, Kasim, the Honorable Joy Rumbongi, and the Honorable Lamek Square, cease immediately from being members of the County. They cease immediately from being members of the County Assembly, representing majority and minority coalitions respectively. Honorable members, pursuant to Standing Order 1981, order members. Pursuant to Standing Order number 1981, which reads, the Assembly may by a resolution establish an ad hoc committee for purposes of inquiring into a matter of all matters specified in the resolution.
Pues